Bantoy. Juro, no basket. And there's number 5. No good. The two big man of Barangay Santiago. And puts it up. Wala pa din. Pero makakasungkit dito ng foul sa uno ng Barangay 2D. And De Luna on the free throw line for his 2 shots. First attempt is no good. Second attempt is no good again. Pero kukuhanan dito ang Barangay 2D ng bola. There's Capilla. And no basket. But got fouled by number 3, Osana. Flores for the inbound on the ladder. Pass it to De Luna. De Luna. Basket. Bantoy, dribble on the ladder. Pass it to Rojas. Back to Bantoy. Ibabalik kay Rojas ang bola. Still by number 13. Pero makukuha dito ng uno ng 2D. To Bantoy. For the one-handed shot. No basket. Flores. Dribbling the ladder. Pass it to Capilla, first for 3, no basket. And out of bounds. Back to 2D ball possession. Rojas. Castillo. Pass it to number 7. No basket. By Paraon. Bantoy makaka-steal. Ibabalik kay Rojas ang bola. Rojas on the ladder for the one-handed blow.